Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson Streakline. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 53,520 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and chevs well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the front fender, a paint chip on the rear fender, and a paint chip and crack on the rear fender as well. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines mufflers and a Vance & Hines exhaust, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, lower fairing speakers, chrome saddlebag trim, a tow hitch, docking hardware, a color-matched inner fairing, an aquatic AV radio, grips, a windscreen, axle caps, highway pegs, and chrome floorboard covers. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.